Alright, well, cleaned her all up. Now, gonna drill the holes out. This one, hinge, is the straightest one of them all. So I'm gonna use that as a template. So what I'm gonna do here is lay it down like so. Now I'm not gonna grab the corner here, I'm grabbing the edge. Line it up. And mark her like so. Now let's go put her on the drill press and drill it out. Alright, got her set up here. Gonna first use the centering bit. And so you gotta move her over. Almost. I gotta move this over. There we go. There we go. Now tighten her up. Seven 30 seconds is required for this job. In case any of you guys want to do this at home, or your hinges might be different. And there we go. Complete. Done. Now just clean up the back side and put it together. Now, put it through here. Now the next part is figuring out the width, because this is actually a little bit too long. Too wide, I mean. See, this one right here is all bent up, so I can't use that one. Probably break sometime in the future as well, but all right. So right there. Just to be safe, we're gonna measure it out. About 447 thousandths. So we're going to measure from this lip over. Yeah, that should be about right. Now we're going to cut it long ways. Okay, it's on there. So they ain't going nowhere. So that's it. That's how you put a hinge on your storm door that actually technically is not even right, and make it work. So that's all. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.